Hi everyone, this is Ms Jenna reading Rudy and Claude Splash into Art. To Mom and Dad, thanks again. Sam. That looks interesting. What you working on, Claude? Shh. Quiet, Rudy. I'm making art. Ooh, art. But wait, what is art? It's something a mouse like you wouldn't understand. See? I'm a true artist. I have skill and imagination. I have skill. I can smell garbage a mile away. I have an imagination. Could be a true artist. Ha! You, an artist? That's hard to imagine, but okay, Rudy. If you insist, try to paint a self portrait. A self portrait is a picture of you, of a self portrait is a picture you make of yourself. Find some art supplies and start painting. Self portrait, huh? Just gotta paint myself. Easy. Oh no, that doesn't look like me at all. Try a still life. A still life is when you paint some things that you can put on the table, like this. I'll paint a soup can. I guess that's a little better. But who would ever want to look at a soup can? Try a landscape, Rudy. That's a painting of mountains or a beach or a lake, just about anything outside of nature. Good idea, Claude. There's a beautiful lake right here in the city. I'll take a walk and see where I can paint. Honk, honk. Ah, landscapes aren't for me. Now, what are you working on? That looks like something I could do. This is found art. That's when you take objects and find That's when you take objects you find and make something new. I'm going to find some objects to try and make my own art. Ta-da! All this hard work is making me hungry. This garbage smells delicious. Maybe I'll just have a quick nibble. How's your found art sculpture coming along? Oh, Claude, I ate it. I'll never be a true artist. Rudy, why don't you borrow this book full of true artists? It will give you some new ideas. That's it. I just needed that right look. Now I can make my masterpiece. And soon I'll a true uh splat woo ouch. What have I done? I've made a huge mess. I'm a total failure. I'll never understand art. Never. What is art? Rudy, this is art. You've got color, movement, you've got a feeling and emotion. I do. Yes, you've just made a great painting. Does that mean I'm a true artist? Yes, a true artist. The end.